guys, today I will be showing you how to fix dried slime. So, as you can see, it can't really stretch that much. See? So then to fix that, you want to turn on you want to use hot water and turn it on and put your slime underneath it for about 30 seconds. Whoa. Now, as you can see, it's much more stretchy. Now, what you want to do is stretch it like this. Till it's less sticky. And now, as you can see, it's very stretchy. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial of how to fix dried slime. So bye guys.